U.S. diplomats immersed in Japanese culture at the KABUTO event in Yokohama. First off is a Japanese tea ceremony. Let's see how they did whisking matcha tea and trying their first traditional Japanese sweets.
素早くシャカシャカシャカシャカジグザグジグザグ
Did they like the taste?
It was a lot of fun. The whisking is hard work, but it was lovely to have the balance of the sweet and the tea, and I think also just having the candy with such beautiful designs as well made it a whole sensory experience that was a lot of fun and really special.
After enjoying tea and sweets, it's time to burn off those calories. To master the karate punch, Jeff decided to become an apprentice. Now it's your turn, Jeff.
これが突き手、これが引き手。リズム引き手、突き手。入れ替え。チェーン式よ。ストレート、オッケー。戻して。いやいや、戻して。戻して。引き手を引きながら。ツイスト。オッケー。気合い、えい。ゆっくり。まだ。いきますよ。Very nice center.
Wow, great work. Do you think he earned a black belt?
Perfect.
It was great to try out actual karate. There was differences between martial arts from Okinawa, traditional Japanese martial arts, modern martial arts, and really fascinating. And the combination of breath, punching, there's a lot to it. It's not as easy as it looks.
Our last stop is Miyadaiku, an over 1,000 years old Japanese woodworking technique to build shrines and temples. Will Sunshine find her new passion?
左手を固定して右でねじります。右手は下。力加減を下。左手はこのラインより上を持ってくる。
Okay. Let's see. Okay. せーの。そう。いや。No. Wait.
Keep.
Surprisingly, the wood shaving is only a few micrometers thick.
Okay.
Looks like Sunshine received an award.
It was a lot of fun. I think that it's one thing to sort of see culture from a distance in a museum, and this was perfect because you got to see people who really excel at this, have really studied it, who do it perfectly. And then we got to go out in the booth and try it for ourselves and see just how hard it is.
For me, it was also a really great introduction to Japan, Japanese culture, traditional things, new things. It's always great to see traditions continue, but to really have them remain interesting and vibrant, you always have to be thinking about how to appeal to new generations, maybe introduce new elements while keeping the best of the old. So I got a sense of that, and really I could have stayed another hour or so and enjoyed it even more.